Hi my beautiful friends, this is Dolly Jain and today's video is a little more detail about the beautiful Indian art which is the Bandhani. Most of the time people just feel that how will I wear a bandhani because it doesn't fit me or because the crinkle it is too short, and either they go and end up ironing the whole sari. And if you iron the whole sari, what it looks like, it doesn't look like a bandhani, it looks more like a printed sari. Just look at this. Just because of this work, I can feel it is bandhani, it is natural, it is tie and dye. The moment I'm going to pull this and make it straight iron, it will look more like a printed sari. You've paid so much for a beautiful art. You're not going to iron and ruin this. So what do you do if you have a sari like this? And if you are basically, as I mentioned, this is more for people who are into makeup artists or drape artists. You want to know how to drape a bandhani sari which is short. I'm sorry if I'm looking funny, but this is how we drape a bandhani sari during the shoot, because you cannot iron the sari, because all the designers have to sell the sari, so they iron it according to the length or the height of the female. So when you're shooting for a bandhani sari, this is where you tie, and then it's very easy. Nobody's even going to come to know that you've tied it here. Then you just make small pleats, see, just like this, and if you can tuck it in, fine. If you cannot tuck it in, just pin it. Okay, and look at this. If I would have shown you like this, even you couldn't have made up that I'm wearing the sari from here. Look at this. And that is it. So this is how you should be doing a bandhani sari for all the photo shoots. Look at this. So here it is. I've got my sari ironed. Not completely. The crinkle is still there. I can still feel the art, the hard work of the artisans who's actually sat down day and night to do this. And see, this is completely of my height. And now I've just done the basic tuck. Now there's a different way to wear every sari. There's a different way to wear bandhani also. So just take this and tuck this from where the border starts, okay? Then you take this part and throw it on top, on your shoulders, and look at the length. I think this length is appropriate because your border is starting from here, okay? Do nothing but just tuck. Now what you do is you start making pleats of the leftover fabric. Not too broad, because otherwise you'll end up only having two pleats. Just make appropriate size, like maybe like a 4 inches. You've got these pleats, and now what you do is remove this from here, push this down, and take all of this together and just tuck them inside. Always remember to tuck this in from here beneath your shoes, so that this is tight enough and doesn't show the decode from inside. Now if you've noticed, I have only ironed this part. I mean the part which is the basic tuck and the pleats. This part of the fabric is not ironed. Look at this. It's still small. Can you see it? And that is what you have to do. Take this from here, bring it down nicely, neatly, okay? And then throw this back on your shoulders. Now one pin on your shoulder, attach it properly with your blouse. Now this is bandhej, but this is zari. This doesn't have a bandhani. So this is crinkled, but this isn't. So whenever you're going to wear a sari like this, what happens is you'll always get this fabric a little loose. So that's the reason, decide on your shoulder pin, okay? After that, what you do is take this, okay? I haven't attached any pin here. Take this from here and pull as much as you can. See this? Pull as much as you can and then attach a pin here. So see, I've attached a pin here, attached a pin on my shoulders. This is how it looks. And since the sari is crinkled, you don't have to be bothered about, thinking that you'll not be able to manage. You just need to take this, lift it in your arms, push this behind, and that is it. And that is the reason I love Bandhani sarees. Look at this. And this is how it looks from back. Look. Nice. Just takes the shape of your body. Looks so beautiful. And that is it. So I hope you enjoying all my drapes. I hope you're learning from all the videos that I'm posting. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Stay blessed. I love you all. Jai Hind.